Kubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Menteri Katanat Kakot Kakya Kesorkar Jilla James Pynbiej Sangma habakren bekilat patai kubor mentakasi ke khatsau terik unok pra arajar arpuar ulaang maka jingpen bana skim jong konong elam jong ka TMC ka badairu ka menteri rangba ka West Bengal ka Mamata Banerjee ka daitang nakadawa ka election kalajan James ulaang bakum kita ki Jingkular ki daitang men Pynbiej ki Nongthep vote James ulabuak jingkeliru bahatu ka TMC ha ka Jilla kalala ni man pun urlong ki Jingkular kiba ki ay na kapor siya kapor, balada kim patla, kipat ba ka Jilla Meghalaya, kidan ka jingnang jing start, banyo bat tip, balada ki Jingkular kim orlong ha West Bengal, kinamla satyaban pin orlong ha Meghalaya. Habaya day ba ka jingkan to, ba ya ka sorkar MDA la penyat do menteri rang ba ka Jilla Assam, Himanta Biswa, James Sangma ulaong ba ka ni ka jingkren kam dan nongrim, bat kam yahap satya bat ula benrap ru da ka baong ba menteri rang ba ka Jilla Meghalaya ukandat ke Sangma ula tray borba na kabenta ka roy kapar hapo ka Jilla.
I mean, at the end of the day, it's elections approaching around the corner, and I think that there will be such kind of promises that people will make to lure the voters. But here, I think that what needs to be seen is the kind of deliverance of promises which the MDA-led the MDA government has delivered, and that is what is more important, because even anybody can go and make tall claims or tall promises and promise anyone the moon, but then at the end of the day, has TMC in their own state delivered on their promises? If they have not, then I think that the public of Meghalaya today is so intelligent enough to understand and to see that when they couldn't deliver on their promises in Bengal, how are they going to deliver here? But at the same time, the public of Meghalaya knows that whatever promises our Honorable Chief Minister has made, he has delivered them. And well, it may not be 100%, but to a very, very large extent, our MDA government has delivered on whatever we have promised. So I think that's what's more important than making tall claims and giving out promises and promising freebies to the people. I think that's very wrong. Secondly, I think that the intentions may be good, but then it would be nice on their part to elaborate further. I mean, 1,000 rupees to women. Okay, if that's the case, then why not to the youth? Why have they left out the youth? To bring up entrepreneurship for the youth. Why have they left out farmers? To help farmers. So I think being lopsided and one-sided in their election promises also smacks of election playing to the gallery sort of thing. So we should not really give it that kind of importance, and this is just election gimmickry. At the end of the day, I think that's a very irresponsible statement. We all know, our Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Conrad K. Sangma, he's been working tirelessly for the development of the state. Now, to say, that this is being remote controlled by us, I think that's such an irresponsible, immature, childish statement, So, I don't want to even rebut or, say anything about this thing, because I feel no merit in answering to such kind of childish statements.